Hello, magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Nandito na naman kayo kay Dexter Panganamang Video Vlog. At sa araw na ito, nais kong i-share sa inyo yung nakita ko sa internet, no? Ano nga ba yung nakita ko? Nakita ko kasi ngayon sa internet na yung 600 job professions in Saudi Arabia, average salary. Nakita ko to sa lifeofarabs.com. And nais kong i-share sa inyo kasi gusto kong malaman, makuha ko yung idea, ma-share ko sa inyo kung ano, naniniwala ba ako dito sa particular na job professions in Saudi Arabia, kung anong talagang average salary nila. So, malaman natin sa particular to. So, buksan ko yung site na kung saan makikita nyo ito. Okay? Yan. Ano? Ito po yung site. Nakita nyo, nakalagay dyan sa website is average salary of 600 jobs profession in Saudi Arabia. Sabi niya, once you are done interviews and other formalities, there is a step accepting a job offer. What should you demand from your employer? And what is the average salary of your profession in Saudi Arabia? Siguro tong website na to, ang layunin niya, or objective niya is to show to us what is the approximate or average salary which will be fair for everybody if you're going to get a new job in Saudi Arabia. The easiest way to search the average salary of your profession in Saudi Arabia, sabi niya, hanapin mo na, control F mo to. So, average salary from some important professions. Unahin muna natin itong sinasabi nila. Average salary of engineering in Saudi Arabia is 14,285, which is napakalaki naman nun, ano? Average salary 14,285, which is equivalent to, let's calculate, no? Ang one sa Saudi Riyal is equivalent to 12, almost, sabihin na natin na 12 Riyal, ano po? So, 12 Riyal. So, 12 times, kung i-multiply natin yung 14,285 times 12, 171,420. Average salary ng engineering in Saudi Arabia. But I don't think this is the average salary of an engineering work in Saudi Arabia, lalo na sa mga Pilipino, ano? Masyado pong mataas tong 14,285 na yan na sinasabi niya. I am an engineer, I'm a mechanical engineer, but I will not tell you about my salary. But sa aking palagay, base to sa mga sweldo ng mga kasama ko sa trabaho, hindi naman po nag-average ng 14,285 ang kanilang mga sweldo. Average salary of accounting and finance is 14,177. Average salary of administration, secretarial in Saudi Arabia is 6,480. Base rin po sa experience ko, hindi po ganyang kalaki ang sweldo ng mga secretarial jobs in Saudi Arabia. Average sa salary of banking in Saudi Arabia is 26,170. Nabalitaan ko, malaki talaga po ang sweldo sa mga bangko sa Saudi Arabia, but I do not know if this is for Asians or for those Arabic speaking, no po? Kasi titingnan ko yung average niya when it comes to engineering, secretary, human resource, mas mukhang mataas po ang average salary na inilagay dito ng website po. Executive and management in Saudi Arabia, I think 35,000. I think it is okay kapag ikaw po ay management, talagang totoong manager ka. I mean, talagang PIT mo is manager, hindi po yung nailagay ka lang doon as manager. So ang sabi niya, human resources 15,701. Salary of marketing in Saudi Arabia is 16,026. Salary of information technology is 15,075. Tingnan nyo po, mas malaki pa yung sweldo ng IT kaysa sa engineers. Sa aking pagkakaalam, sa iba po hindi po ganun. Ito talaga medyo maganda ang sweldo ng mga nasa oil and gas sa Saudi Arabia, kaya posible itong 19,936 is tama when it comes to average salary. Average salary of teaching and education in Saudi Arabia is 12,007. I don't know. Mayroon ako nababalitaan na medyo hindi po umaabot ng 12,000 ang kanilang sweldo. Not unless they are teaching in a high, mga malalaking eskwelahan dito or mga Arabic school or international school, siguro, posible po yung 12,007. I'm just telling you my idea about the average salary na nakalagay dito kasi baka mamaya pag makita nyo to, you will be expecting a lot. Na po? Probably, this particular average salary includes already the housing allowance, the transportation allowance, and probably any other allowance that you may know. Because, possibly po kasi, Yung sa housing allowance dito, 3 times of your salary, normal po yan ay binibigay sa housing allowance ng mga empleyado dito sa Saudi Arabia. Kung ikaw ay live out. Maaring kasama na rin po dito yung plane ticket, which is kapag ka po ikaw ay merong plane ticket, of course, meron kang biyahe once a year. Kung ikaw may pamilya, pag family status ka, posible din po na yung average salary na ito na sinasabi ay kasama na po yung inyong family status or mga tickets ng family, insurances, maaaring kasama na rin dito. Kasi kung kasama na to, all in na to, posible pong tatama sa mga sweldo na to yung sinasabi. But kung isipin nyo, this is just a basic salary, hindi po siguro. Medyo mataas po kung ito, itasabihin ko na basic salary po ito. No? Base sa aking experience dito sa Saudi Arabia. Meron pa pong mga ibang mga salary na nakalagay dito. Anyway, I will be putting the link down below so that you will be able to see the particular amount of the average salary na sinasabi po nitong liveofarabs.com. Ano po? So, yan. Nakalagay dito, nilagay niya dito in alphabet A, Access Operations Team Leader, 8,000, Advertising and Graphic Design, Event Management, Advertising Manager, Aircraft Mechanic, 21,900, no? Medyo mataas pala, no? Airlines Aviation, na pagbalita ko rin po, talagang medyo mataas ang sweldo po ng mga nasa aviation dito sa Saudi Arabia. Now, ito po, Architecture, 17,106. Yes, probably they are higher than engineers. Art Directors, Artists, Assembly Supervisor, 8,500. Assistant Manager and Estimator, 25,000. How I wish, no? Taas, no? 25,000 Assistant Manager and Estimator. How I wish we have this particular salary, no? But mukhang mataas po ang ginawang saring nito, no? Automation, Electrician, Automotive, Part Supplier, 3,600, Automotive Sales, Aviation Manager, laki, no? 42,923 po sa Aviation Manager. So, Aviation Safety Manager, no? Safety Managers, alam ko ang mga safety po, malaki din po ang sweldo nila dito, no? Beverage Manager, 8,750. Bilingual, Branch Manager, 30,000. Probably, yeah. Building and Ground Supervisor, Bus Driver, 1,350. May makilala po akong mga driver dito na mataas naman ang sweldo nila sa 1,350. So, Business Planning, 22,817, and Buyer, 29,045. Buyer, I think these are the procurers. Ano po? Sila yung mga nagpo-procure. Cafeteria Manager, 2,400. Call Center Quality Analyst, 12,000. Oh. Call Center Scheduling Manager, wala akong ganong kilalang mga nasa call center dito sa Saudi Arabia, but maaaring tama po yan at maaari po karamihan sa kanila ay mga Arabic speaking. Na? Call Center Representative, Call Parts, Accessories, Caregiving and Childcare, probably this is 10,000, okay? Chief Executive, 35,000. Chef, 35,000. Chemist, 14,125. Claims Manager, 15,750. Ito yung mga claims manager, siguro ito yung nasa planning department or sa construction na po, may mga claims ban. So, possible, 15,700. Claims processors, cleaning and housekeeping, 3,089. Probably yes. Client service representative, 7,250. Clinical pharmacist, no? 20,000, no? Mataas din pala, no? So, CNC programmer, contract specialist, cook, copywriter. Ang baba naman ng copywriter, 1,600. So, mas maganda kung ikaw copywriter, 1,600 lang. Maghanap ka na lang po ng mga online gig. Probably you can have better salary than 1,600. Counseling, 15,800. Country coordinator, 14,000. Courier, 5,145. Creative director, 16,690. Customer care representative, medyo mababa rin, ano? Kung Saudi, medyo hindi po tatanggapin siguro yung 3,450. Customer service and call center, 11,010. Customer service executive, 8,333. Customer service manager, 21,780. Customer service representative, 8,433. And so on. Medyo, yan. Delivery supervisor, 2,850. Pagka po sa construction, siguro yung supervisor ka, medyo mas mataas dito dapat yung sweldo mo. So, demand planning manager, director of graphic design, 17.5, dispatcher, distribution manager, driver, 2,860. May makilala akong mga driver, nasa 3,000 po yung basic salary nila. But of course, matagal na po sila siguro sa kumpanya, kaya ganun. Nasa construction industry po ako. So, electrical and electronics trades, electrical power trades, electrical service technician, 1,800. Medyo mababa, no? Medyo mababa po yung electrical service technician, 1,800. Electrical worker, 6,500. Electrical service technician and electrical worker, 6,500. Parang medyo malayo po ang diferensya, no? Electromechanical technician, 7,800. Electronics technician, environmental, events promotion manager, exhibit display coordinator, and export service manager. Pagka 7,599 tapos manager ka, maaring iba po hindi sila makapasok sa ganyan, no? Manabababaan sila. Facilities and maintenance repair, 14,539. So, parang parehas na engineers. Facilities maintenance manager, 25,860. Facilities manager, 17,750. Factory and manufacturing, 13,207. Fashion and apparel, 13,200. Field service manager, 21,500. Food hospitality tourism, 8,137. Food service sales, 5,500. Freight forwarder, 3,200. Front desk agent, 2,000. Ang baba, ano? Maaaring mababa po yung ano dito. Kasi marami naman po. Siyempre, may mga additional salaries po yung mga yan. Front office managers, 4,000. So, letter G na po. Gardening, farming, and fishing, 12,953. May taas-taas din, ano? General maintenance worker, 1,900. Geologist, 15,000. Government and defense, 6,000. As what I know, mas mataas po siguro dito yung government and defense. Kasi alam po, medyo karamihan po dyan, mga special po yung trabaho. Graphic designer, 6,106. Huh? Health and medical, 18,419. Medyo broad siya. Kasi maaring po yun, may mga nurse, may mga doctors, I do not know. Hotel managers is 20,000. Hotel service supervisors, 3,000. HSC manager. Ano yung HSE? Health and Safety Engineer. Health and Safety Environment. Sa construction din po yan, 35,000. Probably. Yeah, kapag manager po din. HVAC mechanic is 5,667. Import, punta tayo sa Import-Export Manager, 13. Import and Export Import Custom Specialist, 63,550. Import Logistics Specialist, 9,850. Independent jobs, 3,000. I do not know yung independent jobs, no? Inspection Supervisor, 16,250. Insurance and Agents, 4,000. Insurance Analyst, 6,700. Insurance, very broad po to. Insurance lang, no? So, hindi ko alam kung ano po yung pasok dyan sa insurance na yan. Internal Compliance Officer, Inventory Control Clerk, Inventory Control Manager, Key Account Manager, 26,500. More especially po ito, mga Arabic speaking po ito, mga ito. Kaya ito Dito kasi Saudi Arabia, kapag ka po mga Arabic speaking sila, medyo mas mataas po yung kanilang sweldo. Because syempre, nandito sila sa bansa Saudi Arabia, na kung saan English speaking po ang mga karamihan ng mga tao at saka mga kliyente. Lab Technician, 6,150. Medyo mataas po ito. May mga lab technician ako na nalalaman na nasa sweldo na 3,000. Nasa construction industry. Laboratory technician, not unless this might be working in the hospital. I do not know po. No? Law enforcement, security, fire, 20,500. Legal is 27. Life scientist, 13,000. Lift truck operator, 8,000. Logistic coordinator and logistic clerk, 4,900. No? Maintenance electrician, 10,108. May mga alam po ako na maintenance electrician, nasa 2,500 lang ang sweldo nila. So, maaaring ito medyo mataas. Maintenance manager, masyadong malapit itong maintenance electrician at saka maintenance manager. So, ito maintenance electrician siguro nasa mga 3,500, 4,000, ganun po. Maintenance technician, 11. Tingnan nyo po, mas mataas pa yung maintenance technician kaysa sa maintenance manager. Maaring may mali siya. Manufacturing manager is 27,200. Materials management supervisor, 10,427. Media broadcasting, 18. Medical special scientist, 15. Microbiologist, 4,167. OSP site supervisor, 7,600. Hindi ko alam kung yung OSP. Sorry, no? Yan. Pharmaceutical and biotechnology, 12,000. Pharmacist, 8,388. Pharmacy manager, oh, bakit ganun? Pharmacy manager, 3,200. Tapos yung pharmacist, 8,300. Medyo may mali siguro dito. Photographer, 2,300. Medyo mababa po ito. Kasi kung photographer ka, mas madami ka pa makukuhang mga online gig. Kung 2,300, medyo mababa siya. No? Pricing assistant, 12,000. Procurement administrator, 6,000. Product manager, 13,000. Production manager, 15,000. Production supervisor, project manager, public relations, 11,444. Purchaser, purchasing and inventory. Kita mo to. Engineering, ang sabi doon kanina, 14,000. Purchases and inventory, 15,915. Siguro medyo special purchaser sila. No? Purchasing assistant, purchasing manager, 27,000. Quality assurance manager, 13,281. Quality control analyst, 915. Quality control compliance, 12,426. Quality control inspector, 7,400. Medyo mababa ito. May mga lalaki kita ko na mga quality control inspector, maabot po sila ng mga matas-taas dito sa 7,400. Quality control manager, 16,394. Quality control supervisor is 5,854. Quality director, this I do not know kung ano yung quality director. Quality improvement coordinator, 9,600. And quality manager is 18,984. Ramp agents, hindi ko alam kung ano yung ramp agents. Real estate, so mga trabaho sa real estate. Receptionist, 3,000. Receptionist sports, 1,200. Okay. Recreation and sports, 1,200. Regional restaurant manager, 16,396. Regulatory affairs specialist, reservation sales agent, 8,900. Restaurant manager, 6,833. Medyo mababa, no? Kaya pagka po kayo sa kumakain sa mga restaurant, better give some tip, no po? Risk analyst, 18,000. Risk management supervisor, 9,000. Risk manager, 20,750. Risk modeling manager, 20,000. And room reservation managers, 15,000. Okay. Esa tayo. Sales account manager. Sales retail and wholesale, 15,580. Science and technical services, senior buyer. Parang procurer po ito, senior buyer. Senior consultant, 20,000. Senior insurance underwriter. Senior project manager. Service advisor. Of course, kapag ka mga senior works, mataas po talaga yan. But hindi po sa lahat ng kumpanya kayang ibigay yung mga ganyang kalaki. Service advisors, 22,750. Solutions architect, 27,300. Statistician, 4,680. Storekeeper, 2,233. Yes. May mga storekeeper na umaabot din ng 4,000 siguro. I don't know. Structural assembler, 5,417. Supply chain coordinator, 6,000. Supply chain manager, 20,000. Makikita nyo yung mga manager, nasa 20,000. Pero hindi rin po tama. May mga manager din ako alam na medyo mababa naman po sila. Technical manager, 16,700. Technician, 2,000. Telecommunication, 6,868. Telecommunication analyst. Manager ng telecommunication, 42. Lalo na siguro kung maganda yung kumpanya na, like My Mobili, STC, posible ito, siguro. Testing technician, transportation, travel agent and tour guide, voice communications manager. Waiter, 2,315. Kaya pagka tayo ay kumakain sa restaurant, magbigay po tayo ng tip. Warehouse manager, 11,783. Warehouse supervisor is 7,233. So that's all mga tagapanood. Kung titingnan po natin, kung titingnan ko yung average salary na sinasabi dito, medyo mataas po yung average salary ng kanilang estimate. Pero may mga ibang item naman po na medyo mababa. So, maaari yung po mga sinasabi dito, ikasama na yung mga housing allowance, kasama na po yung mga transportation allowance. Normally, transportation allowance is 10% of the salary or sometimes it is 500 reals. So, depende yan. Ang mga housing allowance is 3 times your salary. Madalas po ganyan ang normal na sweldo ng binabayad sa housing allowance. Ganun po, meron din yang maaring kasama na rin dyan ang ticket. Maaring kasama na rin dyan ang family status. At kung ano-ano pa. So, maaring kasama na po all in. Ang sabi kanina is package. But, So, kung ito, i-multiply mo siya ng, siguro, i-multiply mo siya ng mga percent na mga 0.7 as a basic or 0.6 as basic salary. Ganyan po siguro yung mga average sa mga Asian workers, no? I cannot say about the mga Arabic-speaking personnel, but I don't know, if you can comment down below kung tumatama po ba yung kanilang survey o tumatama yung kanilang mga updates dito, ma-check ba, masabi mo, let me know by comments down below, malaman naman po namin kung talagang tama itong mga survey na ito. Of course, this is their survey. We do not know kung ano po yung magnitude ng kanilang responses sa mga survey. But ang sabi nga na dito is a survey is done this year about the average salaries of 600 professions in Saudi Arabia. This survey will help you in setting your demand, accepting a job offer from the prospective employer. But of course, hindi mo naman po pwede sabihin ganito talaga yung sweldo mo. Kung ayaw mo naman kung hindi maibigay sa yung sweldo na to, hindi ka napapasok. But kailangan, depende pa rin yan sa'yo. Kung anong sa palagay mo, ang worth mo, kahit na mas mataas dito o mas mababa dito yung nakalagay, go, do it, and negotiate. No? Napakaganda na napag-negotiate tayo. So, ayan, nakita na natin, and I hope you like our video for today. If you want, if you have any other suggestions or if you have any comment or gusto nyong masabi kung ano yung a particular item on this particular na trabaho at alam mo ang average sweldo, just comment down below sana para makita naman ng ating mga kababayang Pilipino dito sa Saudi Arabia. Again, you are in Dexter Pangaliban Video Blog. If you like this particular video, you can share this video at like nyo na rin at mag-subscribe ka na rin sa channel ko. Marami ka makikita dito sa channel ko katulad ng mga to-dos at saka mga reviews namin at saka my family vlog. So, ayan, God bless you at nawa makita ko ulit kayo dito sa aking video. Maraming salamat po.